Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Sign into the iTunes store with your Apple ID and verify the payment method is current and matches the billing address. Once done, make sure device time is set to automatic and Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. Inconsistent time or offline status often blocks purchases. If you use a VPN, disable it now because it can trigger regional checks. Now, restart the iTunes or App Store app to apply any authentication changes and proceed to the next steps. You need to dig into account settings to resolve authentication or billing blockers. Open Account View Apple ID and update the payment method, billing address, and contact info. Once updated, sign out of the iTunes Store and sign back into refresh tokens and cached receipts. This forces revalidation. Make sure there are no unpaid balances, recent refunds, or family sharing restrictions that could block purchases. If prompted, re-enter the card's CVV or billing zip. These small verifications often clear the error. Complete the fix by installing any pending iOS, Mac OS, or iTunes updates, then reboot the device to ensure system services restart. Next, try buying a low-cost item to confirm purchases process. If it fails, temporarily add an alternate payment method and attempt again to isolate the card issue. If problems persist, collect the purchase attempt timestamps and any error messages, then contact Apple support. Provide device model, OS version, and a brief sequence of your steps so they can escalate with logs and resolve the server side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.